of a really nice guy. He's Rolie Polie Olie. He's small and smart and round. And in the land of curves and curls, he's the swellest kid around. Howdy, howdy, hooray, hooray. And in the land of curves and curls, he's the swellest kid around. He's Rolie Polie Olie. He's small and smart and round. And in the land of curves and curls, he's the swellest kid around. Howdy, howdy, hooray, hooray. And in the land of curves and curls, he's the swellest kid around. And in the land of curves and curls, he's the swellest kid around. Whee!
Stand aside, matey.
Ahoy there, matey.
This is gonna be the roly-poliest pirate ship ever.
This is gonna be the most fun ever. What's that for, Rolie?
It's the plank, Billy. On pirate ships, if somebody doesn't do what the captain says, they have to walk the plank into the ocean.
With the sharks?
Arr! Okie dokie. Now we have to sail to Pirate Island and bury Captain Olie's treasure.
Chocolate chip treasure. Captain Olie? How come you get to be captain?
'Cause I got the captain hat.
But I want to be captain.
How will you pick a neat pirate name? You could be Billy Bones or Barnacle Billy.
How about you be Long John Olie and I'll be the captain?
But we both can't be captains. We've only got one ship. Let's flip a coin.
I got a nickel.
Heads, I'm captain. Gee whirlikers, Billy. We both can call heads.
Well, it's my nickel.
And I said we should flip for it.
I know. Let's flip to see who gets to call it.
Okie dokie.
Heads.
Thank you, Olie.
It's my nickel.
Well, we still don't know who the captain's gonna be. I know. Whoever can jump the highest is captain.
1, 2, 3, go! I'm higher.
Me! I'm higher.
No, me!
That one was. I'm higher.
No, me! That one was.
That one.
That one. Think I'm tired.
Me too.
Me too.
Well, I'm good at being the pirate captain. Arr!
Yeah? Well, it's my idea to play pirates, and I double your
Yeah, well, it's my pirate treasure. Arr, arr!
A lot of good it does you without my treasure
I
map.
can make my own treasure map. It's my house, so I'm the captain.
Well, then I'm gonna go home and be my own captain.
Hoist those cushions, lower the armchair. Prepare to cast off. Steer the ship, sea salt Zowie. Pirates don't giggle. Pirates say arr. Arr. Guess that'll have to do. Sea Dog, you guard the treasure. And Sea Salt, you guard Sea Dog. Arr. Set your sails for Pirate Island. Arr. always gotta watch out for sea monsters and big rocks. Look out! There's one now! Turn the ship! Turn! Huh? Who's driving the ship? Zowie, pirates don't watch TV. We almost crashed, and now we're way off course. And Spot, pirates don't eat treasure, they bury it. Gee whirlikers, we'll never get to Pirate Island. Where's Billy when you need him?
Got room on board for 2 more crew members, Pirate Captain Olie?
Arr! You betcha. Welcome aboard, mateys. Set sail for Pirate Island. Steady as she goes, Cutlass.
Aye, aye, Captain Olie. Arr.
All quiet off the port bow, Redbeard.
Oh, treasure's safe, Captain. Oh, arr.
Who needs Billy after all? Land ho! Pirate Island, dead ahead. Huh? Mom, we're in the middle of the ocean.
Just checking on the Brussels sprouts, Captain.
But the sharks are...
Oops, sorry.
And pirates don't eat Brussels sprouts.
Ooh, might be Pappy.
But pirates don't have telephones, Dad. Billy would never abandon ship. It's empty. Who stole my cookies?
Bird.
There's only one thing to do. You have to walk the plank off the ship into the ocean. Go swim, Spot! Go swim! Zowie, pirates aren't supposed to like walking the plank. Boy, I sure miss Billy. He knows how to play pirates better than anyone. I should have let him be captain. Billy! Billy! You gotta be captain.
Nah, it's okay. You can be captain. I'm gonna be Cannonball Billy.
Nah, I'm Long John Olie. You be captain.
No, you be captain.
Wait a second, Billy. This is what got us in trouble the first time. I think I've got a better idea. Know the best thing about being space explorers, Billy? No captains!
But you still owe me a nickel.
Well, howdy, Olie. What you doing?
Watching.
Watching what?
Watching you.
Watching me. Well, how come?
I have to tell everyone at school about you. And Mom, and Zowie, and my whole family. Don't know what to say. Except Mom's Mom, Zowie's Zowie, and you're you. Hey, what's this?
My old movie camera. What do you know?
Movies. Wow. Instead of telling everyone about my family, I can show them. Does it work, Dad?
Well, let's find out.
My name's Olie. Howdy. And this is the house where my family lives. It's me again. And that's my tree house. And there's Spot. He's my dog. Spot does lots of new tricks. And sometimes he doesn't. Spot? Where are you? Stop it, Spot. Stop it. Oops, sorry. That's my mom. Oops, that's my mom. That's my little sister Zowie. She likes to help Mom make cookies. Olie, 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 Olie. Shh, Zowie, I I'm making a movie. My mom is great. She plays the drums, and she makes the best cookies ever.
Oh, everyone says they're tummy tickling tasty.
Big!
Oh, you put in too much! Oh, sweet rolling donuts!
Don't think your classmates want to see me in your movie, Olie.
Gotta be my whole family. Thanks, Mom. Tasty. That's my Pappy.
Howdy, partner.
His teeth are always popping out.
Whoa.
There they go. And there goes Pappy. He's the oldest person I know. And he's more fun than a lot of kids I know. And there's Spot again.
What? Not my teeth.
Pappy's a lot faster than a lot of kids I know, too. And this is my dad. My dad's an inventor, kinda. He can fix anything, even the things he makes.
What I'm doing here is adjusting a regular vacuum cleaner into a super-powered vacuum cleaner. Well, you see this springy thing here? That's not supposed to do that.
Wow, neat!
You can stop the camera, Olie!
Ride him, Dad!
Okie dokie, Olie!
This is the best, Dad!
I don't know what to say. Olie's gonna show his whole school his movie, and I just wish I didn't look so silly riding around on that vacuum cleaner.
You? Everyone's gonna see me with a cookie mix facial.
Well, and how about me? Hightailing it after my own teeth.
Hey, Mom! Dad! Pappy! My movie's all ready! Come on! Okie dokie, here goes. Rolie Polie's family movie. My name's Olie. Howdy. And this is the house where my family lives. That's my Pappy.
Howdy, partner.
Teeth are always popping out.
What? Oh, not again.
He's the oldest person I know.
Back here, you.
And he's more fun than a lot of kids I know.
Gee, Pappy, look at you go.
Well, I am pretty fast, ain't I?
My dad's an inventor, kinda. He can fix anything.
What I'm doing here is adjusting a regular vacuum cleaner into a super-powered vacuum cleaner. Well, you see this springy thing here? That's not supposed to do that. You can stop the camera, Olie!
Ride him, Dad!
How'd you get it to do that?
Believe me, it wasn't easy.
That's my little sister Zowie. Zowie, Mommy! Zowie, mix, mix, mix! My mom is great. She plays the drums, and she makes the best cookies ever.
Oh, everyone says they're tummy tickling tasty.
Thanks!
Oh, you put in too much! Oh, sweet Rolie!
Tummy tickling tasty.
Oh.
my family. Sometimes we're all kind of goofy, but that's okie dokie because it sure is fun. And all the other times are pretty neat too. And they live happily ever after. Yes, sirree, Bob. That's my family. Go fish. Got any, trees, Zowie? Go fish, Olie.
Sounds like a rip-snorting idea to me.
What's that, Pappy?
Going fishing on my boat. What you say?
But your boat's in the backyard, Pappy.
Course. How else you gonna go yard fishing?
You're fishing, you're fishing. Zowie gets big fish.
You betcha. I'll get it all ready.
What kind of fish we gonna catch in the grass? Big fish.
Fix us up a lunch, Olie.
Okie dokie, Pappy. Make sure Spot doesn't get into the sandwiches, though. Because you know how nuts and bolts Spot is about peanut butter.
Ah, you ready for some fishing, kids? Oh, I mean, mateys?
You bet, Pappy. I mean, aye, Captain. Zowie catch big fish.
Oh, looks like a good day for yard fishing.
What kind of fish we gonna catch in grass, Pappy?
Yard fish, Olie.
Big hook! Zowie catch big fish.
We don't catch yard fish with hooks, Zowie. Yard fish, you need special bait. Like the sticky tape hullapopper, the fetch and catch magnetron, and the good old gum grabber.
What's this, Pappy?
Oh, that one's the best of all. The three-fingered finagler. Wow! Good for catching yard fish. And Pappy's. Let's try her out.
I got one, Pappy. What kind is it, Pappy? What kind of yard fish is it?
Well, now, I'd say you caught yourself, a chunky tuna tin, Olie.
Wow, hear that, so? I caught a chunky tuna tin. Yard fishing sure is fun, Pappy. Pappy, I got another one.
Jumping gyroscopes, Olie. This could be a big one.
You think? Wow, what kind of fish is that, Pappy?
Well, now, I'd say that was, A rainbow trout.
Some catch, huh, fella? Spot? Nothing that Spot likes better than peanut butter sandwiches. Right, Zoe? Zoe, no catch big fish. It's okay, Zoe. Just takes a little practice. Don't give up. You can do it. Come on, I'll help you. Olie help fish? You bet. And you can use my lucky fishing rod with Pappy's 3-finger finagler. Okie dokie, Olie. Zoe catch a big fish. Here goes. 1, 2, 3.
Launch overboard. Looks like it's time for the Smiler.
What's the Smiler, Pappy? Your teeth?
I bet your bolts. No way my teeth are gonna let a lunch get away from them. Eyes ain't what they used to be. It's up to you, Zoe. Got her!
Your sharks sure like peanut butter.
All together. Easy does it now. Nice and slow. Well, looks like we saved the lunch.
You bet. And Zoe catch big fish.
Darn tootin'. And I'd say that's a ring-eyed dogfish. Yep, biggest I've ever seen. Yep. Looks like these two have the right idea. Think it's time we set sail for home.
Aye, aye, Captain. Land ho!
You're a sailor after my own heart, Olie.
That was fun, Pappy.
Darn tootin'.
Maybe we can go yard fishing again, Pappy.
Anytime, Olie. Anytime at all.